on, everybody? It's your boy TitanicFeet Jack, and I'm back at you again with another video. I'd like to welcome everyone back to the channel. How y'all doing today? What is going on with you guys? Anybody watching for the first time, go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section. I will reply back to you. Just let me know where you're watching from. And if you're watching for the very first time, I ask that you hit that subscribe button. Go on, tune into the channel, turn on your notification bells so you'll be notified every time I upload a video onto this channel or go live. And I need everyone to smash that like button. Hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. It helps YouTube push the video out, and I greatly appreciate it. I do have a giveaway going on right now. Once this channel reaches 1.5k subs, I will be giving away a free pair of sneakers. All you have to do is be following me here on this YouTube channel, also on my other socials, that's IG and Twitter, and they both are linked down below. Once the channel reaches that goal, we'll go live and have the raffle to give away the free pair of sneakers. Now today we're getting into a pair of sneakers. They came out last week or week before that maybe. We're going to get into them. It was not that much hype behind them, but it's still a great looking sneaker. The release was messed up due to late shipments. On the Flex app, those stores under that Foot Locker umbrella only received the men pairs. There are very little grade school pairs that were out there, but now those pairs are starting to trickle into the stores, and some of the stores actually have them sitting on the shelves, so they're not selling out immediately. And we got a pair here for you guys to look at today. I actually had this pair since release day. I just don't have my personal size yet, but you see the box, you already know what it is. Go ahead, let you look at that box label. Let's go ahead and read it. You see the Air Jordan 13 Retro, color gem red, black, flint gray, and white. Size 8.5, definitely not my size. And the price on these were $190 US. Go ahead and flip the top. I see no lot stamping here. Interesting. Okay, you have your standard white tissue paper, nothing fancy here. And y'all know what it is. We got the red flints, guys. The red flint 13. Comment below. Let me know what you think of these sneakers. If these sneakers are fire, go ahead and drop those fire emojis. Let's see that right here. Let's look in this box. There's no green and white sticker in here either. So what we're gonna do is one good look at these. Let's dive in. We have the Air Jordan Retro 13 Red Flint. We're going to jump right into it. You got that red flint colorway going on here on your upper. And of course, guys, it is 3M. So you can see that 3M popping right here. You got the flint gray going on here and around here. You got that cat eye bubble right here. See the jump man 2, 3. The depends on how the light hitting it. But I got a quick question for y'all. Do you guys ever peel this plastic off of that cat eye? Drop that comment down below. Let me know if y'all do. Because I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair of 13 here. And I have yet to peel that plastic off of that cat eye. And if you haven't peeled it off, what's the reason why? Let me know that in the comment section. But back to the shoe, you got that Flint gray going on here. And you got a white leather base going on here as well. Midsole, you got those paws going on, the white paws. And you also have some Flint gray on here as well. At the very bottom, you got that small hit of black, which leads to the outsole. This is your Jordan 13 outsole. You got that carbon fiber here in black. You got the Jordan bubble clear red underneath with the black Jordan Jumpman. And you got your white paws going on here with the herringbone traction with a little bit of red, Flint red, gem red between the toes, so to speak. You're looking at the heel, regular Jordan 13 heel. You can see that gem red sock liner. And you have that Flint gray on here going around. On the medial side of the sneaker, you got more of that 3M action going on. And that gem red. You got the Flint gray going on here on your upper and up here as well. Midsole, more of that Flint gray going here. And with on the medial side, you can see that carbon fiber if you get a side shot of the sneaker. And you got the white going on, which represent the paws. You got a decent grain of leather going on here. Let's go ahead and do it the right way and take out this shoe tree. Here we go, I'm Uncle Willie's son. Cardboard shoe tree says size 8, 8.5. Just a regular shoe tree, nothing fancy. And it's your typical Jordan 13 leather. You can see your little flap here, it says Jordan. And you flip it over, it says Roman numeral 13. Yes, Roman numeral. Lord, today I'm making up words. Y'all know what I'm saying. Roman number 13. Roman numeral 13. Yes. I'm going to leave that in the video too. You have your white leather going on your tongue. And you have white rope laces. These are the only laces that these sneakers come with. Black Jordan Jumpman stitched on here, up here on the tongue, the top of the tongue. And you can see the back of your sock liner from the top of your tongue. It is actually gem red. And you have your tag, your sizing tag. And it says size 8.5. And your production date is September 2nd, 2020 to October 30th, 2020. So about a month and a week of production with these. Like I said, you got that red sock liner and your insert. You have a white Jordan insert with a red Jordan Jumpman. Let me know what y'all think of these sneakers, guys. These are pretty nice sneakers. I like them. I took my chances and I missed on release day. Of course, I took that L on the sneakers there since everything's a draw now. So let me know how you guys feel about that. Should I make a video talking about the sneakers at draw? You know, if I do a live video where y'all pull up and share your thoughts, let me know that in the comment section. But I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. And before I go, like I always tell y'all, if you can help somebody get a sneaker, help them get that sneaker, because you never know when it will be your turn to need help getting a sneaker. I'm TitanicFeet Jack, signing out.